Here at Tesla, we make progress on new projects faster than seems possible. We set impossible deadlines and then somehow meet them. Having in-house additive allows us to print a part, test it, break it, find out what's wrong, print it again with a new design over and over until we get it right. So due to the print speed, the Fuse X1 allows us to use the entire build volume within that 24-hour build cadence, which effectively doubles the volume compared to our legacy SLS printers. Yeah, and then on top of that, the reduction in manual labor. Fuse X1 really allows us to run high mix builds with starkly contrasting geometry. So you can have one very large part surrounded by a bunch of little parts with minimal or no impact to the quality of the parts coming out at a very high packing density. With this non-marring shim, we had looked into injection molding and had found that with the SLS systems, the cost per part was competitive enough that getting a mold made really didn't make sense, even though we are going through 10 to 20,000 of these a month. Yet with the increased throughput and decreased cost, it has completely changed our perspective on what kinds of projects our lab can support versus what we would have traditionally moved to an injection mold.